This week's featured listing is at 6121 Belvedere Circle, right here in Pecan Plantation. Stay tuned, I can't wait to show it to you. This house has a fantastic circle drive. It's right here on the corner of Belvedere and Briarfield, and it's a corner lot. Beautiful front entry door. Come on in, let's take a look. We walk right into this gorgeous foyer, and here is the fantastic living room. This house has 3 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's a little over 2,800 square feet, and it was built in 1993. In and to the left, we've got the formal dining room. We've got a wet bar over here that's got an original map of the building plans. There's seating around this wet bar. Then we continue into the kitchen. We've got a dine-in area here, breakfast nook. Wonderful built-ins. These plantation shutters are fantastic. Here is our kitchen, wide open. We've got lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space, double oven, cooktop, beautiful view. Then we've got over here to the right is a laundry area, as well as this gigantic walk-in pantry. While we're on this side of the house, I want to show you the garage and this wonderful feature. So we've got a full 2-car garage as well as a golf car garage. And this great bonus room right off of the garage. It's got its own air conditioning unit, got double doors to enter. Fantastic space if you work from home. Off the dining area, we've got this patio. Great little sitting area to have your morning coffee. Fireplace, lots of beautiful built-ins, and this room is awesome. A great sunroom. It is fully insulated. It's got heat and air. Also has the plantation shutters. And now we'll go to the other side of the house. Down this hallway, there is a full bath for your guests to use. Here's the master. Beautiful plantation shutters in here, gigantic room, plenty of room for a sitting area. Again, with these plantation shutters, I love them. You've got his and her vanities and closets. You've got a soaking tub, a shower that's already been updated. Here's the second vanity, second closet. You've got this little office space, maybe a sewing room. It's got some built-in bookshelves. Here's bedroom number 2. Full bath. Bedroom number 3. Again, this house is great. 6121 Belvedere Circle. If you would like more information about this property, please reach out to me. I'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching.